So we're on the final rinse, I think, anyway. Well, it will be anyway, because I'm not going to do 3. But, yeah. If it does, if it wants another rinse, I'm just going to put it to spin, because I just can't be bothered. We wanted so much water just for a rinse. It's unbelievable. Nice level though. That is a very nice level. And when it drains, you will have you'll perfectly see like how quickly this actually drains, because it drains so quickly. It drains just like that. It's probably one of the quickest pumps I've probably ever seen in my life. Well, it's probably considering it's probably got a little drum, isn't it? It might be because it's got a good pump, or it's just it's because it's got a little drum. It seems like it has a really good drum. I mean, a good pump. Oh, here we go. Watch it. Actually, it's quite quick. Hoping this is final spin. The thing is, it doesn't tell you. It just says washing. So if it wants another thing, I'm just gonna skip it. Oh, it's on a level 4. Oh my god, it's on balance just doing that. Oh god. I'm probably gonna have to stop it with my parents to feel the whole thing vibrating. Oh, it's gonna want to know. No, I'm gonna have to skip it. Oh no! Oh well, actually, it's the final spin. Yeah, it does it. Yeah, look, it does it very quickly. Look, this is what it does. Look, and now it's gonna go into spin. Should do anyway. Yes, here we go. Brace yourselves. It's going to be very unbalanced. I got my finger on the pause button because it's probably going to be really unbalanced. Oh god, here we go. Why did it stop? I didn't know it was unbalanced. Because I've never seen what it does if it's unbalanced yet, so I don't know. Well, I don't know what that meant now. Possibly meant it was unbalanced. Whoa. Yeah, it's detecting it's unbalanced, that's what, yeah, that's what it is. It will eventually go, but... Yeah, go, it's going. It's going. It's off. It's off. No, it's not, is it? What the hell was that? What was that? What was that noise? What the hell was that? Oh, that was funny. What the hell was that? Nope. I'm going to advance it to final spin. I'll put it into final spin now.